The Moto G7 is the best looking Motorola phone yet, and comes at a budget price. We went hands-on with this new Android phone, and while it's a tad more expensive than last year's iteration, it does offer a flagship-level design and high-end features. I am Adhar Sharma, and this is the No Gamer. Yes, there's a notch at the top of the display to fit the front camera, but the cutout is tasteful. It's a small notch, like the Essential phone, and not an iPhone XR. Looks do matter on a smartphone, and the new Moto G7 proves it. That's because 6.2-inch Full HD Plus LCD display fits more screen into a fairly compact phone design. Don't let the increased screen size fool you. Its entire phone body is more compact than the body of last year's Moto G6 Plus, which had a 5.9-inch screen. Its rear dual-lens camera consists of a main 12-megapixel sensor and 5-megapixel depth sensor, with the primary function being to take to bokeh-rich portrait photos. The Moto G7 Power and Moto G7 Play have to simulate portrait blur through software. The Moto G7 specs promise 50% faster performance than last year's phone, though the choice of the Snapdragon 632 chipset feels like Moto's holding back on us. The good news is that the Moto G7 comes with 64 GB of internal storage. There's no G7 with 32 GB of storage this time. It also supports a microSD card up to 512 GB. The 4 GB of RAM should easily handle day-to-day tasks and shows no lag. We also liked the fact that Motorola doesn't change much of Google's software, and it keeps Google Assistant intact and Google Lens in its default camera app. So that is it. Like the video and subscribe to the No Gamer to stay in the loop.